Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. I already have my hair done, so I'm gonna do some makeup because we gotta do the makeup to go with the hair. I already did my eyebrows also, so I'm gonna go straight in with the face. To start off, I'm gonna use my Tate concealer as my base for my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it onto my eyelids and blend it out. I got some on my eyelash there that was not supposed to happen, but I guess my eyelashes are growing longer than I thought. To blend out the concealer, of course, I'm using my wet beauty sponge as usual. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some setting powder right on top of that concealer to set it. The palette I'm going to be using today is one of my favorite, of course, from Blend Bunny, and I'm just pointing out the colors that I'm going to be using right now. I'm starting out with the lighter shade as my transitioning color, and then I'm going to use the darker shade afterwards. At this point, I'm applying the darker shade and I'm going from the outer corner and blending it inwards right there in my crease. And right here, I'm just going to go ahead and do a cut crease, and what I'm using to do the cut crease is the concealer from earlier. For the colors on the cut crease, I'm going to be using a different palette, and this one is from Juvia's Place. So the colors I'm pointing at right now are the colors that I'm going to be using. In order to get the most out of these colors, you just have to, keep packing it on until it builds up to, the tone, the color, the shade that you like. Now I'm applying the white that I showed you earlier. And where the white meets the orange, I'm just gonna blend them in together. Okay, so now that I did that, I'm gonna go ahead and do my wing liners. I'm gonna be wearing one of these pair of lashes today. They're from Money Cove, and you could find them on Instagram. I'm gonna show them to you guys one by one with their name listed above them, so if you guys are interested, you could find them. I'm also gonna leave the link for their Instagram down below in my description box, so definitely check that out for that information. So the one I'm going to be wearing today, guys, is the first one I showed you, and I've worn this one twice already because I love it so much. I'm going to go ahead and apply them on camera for you guys. Usually I would do them off camera, but I can keep doing them off camera all the time, so here we are. Now I'm going to prime my face and get it ready for foundation, and what I'm using today is my Garnier Serum Cream. The foundation I'm using today is from She Glam, and the shade that I picked up for myself is called Cappuccino. I think I did good picking up my shade online because usually when I do so, it's either too dark or too light, but I feel like I got it right or close enough to right. You know what I'm saying? I actually really like this foundation. It goes on pretty well. It blends out pretty good also. It just feels really light on my face and it stays on all day. Now I'm going in with my concealer again just to lighten up certain parts of my face. And now I'm blending it out using my wet sponge again. So as you know, wherever you add concealer, you want to set that with some setting powder. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm setting my concealer with my setting powder. I'm also going to contour some parts of my face using my bronzer from Morphe. And now I'm just going to apply my finishing powder from MAC all over my face. To line my lips, I'm going to go in with my MAC lip liner, and this one is called Cork. For my lipstick, I'm going to be using this really light tan shade from NYX. And the name for this one got rubbed off on the bottom, so I can't even tell you guys what it's called. Now I'm going to use this rose water setting spray from Magic Collection to set my face. And that's it, you guys. This is the outcome. I think it came out so beautiful. I really love it. I love the look. I love the colors I went with. So yeah. The hairstyle I'm wearing, I already posted a video for it and you guys loved it so much. I appreciate all the feedbacks that I got from you guys. Thank you so much for your comments and your likes and your views. Thank you so much, guys. I will also leave a link for the hairstyle down below for any of you guys that haven't already seen it. Remember to check out Money Cove on Instagram for those false lashes that I show you guys today in this video. I will leave the link to the Instagram page down below so you guys could easily find it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down below. I will get back to them as soon as I possibly can. As usual, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!